Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to create an encrypted and password-protected zip file on your Mac. It's an easy guide, so let's get started. First, we need to open the Terminal app. I'll press Command and Spacebar to open Spotlight Search and search for Terminal. Now we need to tell the terminal where our files and folders are located, so we can encrypt them. Type CD, that's CD and a spacebar, which stands for Change Directory. Then, we need to type the file directory where your files and folders are. To make this easier, open Finder and navigate to where the files and folders you want to encrypt are located. Now, hover over the directory name at the top of the Finder window until you see the folder icon. Drag and drop this folder into the terminal. It should appear as text. Press Enter. Great. We're now successfully in that file directory inside of our terminal. Next, we need to tell the terminal that we want to create a zip file that's encrypted and password protected. So type zip, that's zip and a spacebar. Then type E, that's -E, which stands for encryption. Then type R, that's -R, which stands for recursion. This includes all the contents within the selected files and folders. Press spacebar, and then type the name of the zip file you want to create. For example, I'll type example.zip. Make sure to include the file type extension, .zip. Now press spacebar, and type out all the files and folders you want to include. I want to include test folder and example.com. Back in the terminal, I'll type test folder. Because test folder has a space in it, we need to include the name in quotation marks. So I'll type test folder. Make sure you type it exactly as the folder is spelled. Press spacebar, and then add the next file or folder you want to include. In my case, it's example.com. So, I'll type example.com. Be sure to include the extension. We've included all the files and folders we want. Press Enter. Now it will prompt you to type in the password you want to use to protect your zip file. The password won't appear in the terminal, but your input is being selected. Once you've typed your password, press Enter. You'll need to verify the password, so type it again and press Enter. As you can see, it has now successfully created the zip file. It should appear on your desktop. We can now close out of the terminal and Finder if you wish. You should see the zip file has been successfully created. To open the zip file, double-click it. You'll be prompted for a password. Enter the password you just created and select OK. After a couple of seconds, it will successfully unpack the contents of the zip file. You can open it up and see the contents are inside, and you can start using them as you normally would. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Rome tips. Thanks for watching.